Hello guys, welcome back. So guys, on this video I want to show you how you can make your almond milk at home. All you have to do, get some almond, soak it overnight. In my case, I soak it for 48 hours. So once it's soaked, wash it, blend it and strain it, and you get your almond milk. This is your almond milk and you can store it in the fridge. Bye guys, God bless you and thanks for watching. Closely family, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, I want to say you are welcome. To my returning subscribers, my audience and my viewers, I just want to say thank you and God bless you. So guys, this video is self-explanatory. It is a continuation of my previous video, which I make a video on how you can make your homemade almond milk, the ones you are seeing, and how you can recycle the shaft from the almond seed to come up with this beautiful almond pie. This cake is, or this pie is kind of particular because I did it according to how the Spirit led me. But you can also personalize yours as your Spirit led you. So guys, this is my almond seed, washed and peeled. I just went ahead, I blended it with a lot of water, then strain it. Then the shaft is what I use to prepare my almond pie. If you haven't seen the video, just scroll down the video right before this particular one you are watching. You find the video there. So what I did, you can skip this, it is not necessary. If you don't want onions, you can skip it, but because I've done this recipe without onions, I said okay, let me try it with onions. But you can skip it because onions kind of cover the scent of the almond a shaft or almond flour in it. So all I'm going to do, slice some onions, get 3 eggs, Add it into a bowl, mix it. Add some pinch of salt, no sugar is needed. Add some baking powder. Then add about 3 to 4 spoons of all-purpose flour. You can also use slim flour if you like. Then give it a good stir. Pour it into your baking pan. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes at a preheated oven of about 200 degrees. Then control with a toothpick or a stick meat to see if your pie or your cake is ready. And if it's ready, and if your toothpick comes out clean, you know your cake or your pie is ready. So guys, that is all, and this is how I used my almond shaft to make yummy recipe, afternoon snack, something you can chew in, something you just want to wind your teeth with. Hola, this economic is hard these days, so you have to recycle as much as you can. Recycle whatever you have. Say no to wastage. So guys, if you love this recipe or you just want to try it, let me know on the comment section. I'll leave you with the background music. Until next time I come across your way, my name is Susan. Stay blessed and be guided.